Universal Fit Kit. The kit contains 16 types of most common sizes of fastener clips, suitable for the OEM replacement in 6 to 10 mm hole sizes, that you'll always have the right size. Top quality. These car retainer clips are made of high-quality black nylon material, anti-wear and anti-corrosion, would not break or crack easily during use. PREFECT for what you need. Up to 620 pieces of retainer clips in a plastic box, allows to freely DIY your vehicle accessories at any time you wanted. It is definitely cheaper than going to the auto parts store. Bonus accessories. We provide different size fastener removers and cable ties to help you quickly and easily remove car door panel and upholstery clips without causing damage to them. Easy access into confined areas. Wide application. Professional push clips are widely used for car panel, door trim, bumper and fender for GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda, Chrysler, etc. Color. Black material. Nylon retainer sizes, 16 most popular sizes, 620 PCs, set package weight, 1 kg packing list, 620 PCS auto car body retainer clips 1 PC premium nylon fastener rivet clips removal tool 4 PCS car panel removal tools trim removal tool 5 PCS longer plastic cable ties 5 PCS shorter plastic cable ties 1x plastic storage carry case note. Please check the size, type and shape in the pictures and description first to make sure the item is the one that you need. Top reviews from the United States. Nice. Perfect fitting. Good product. I used them to mount the plastic under engine panel for a 2019 Hyundai Elantra GT N-Line model. These worked great for the wheel well panels as well. Perfect fit. Tight. Strong.